Hello and welcome to the farm quiz!
Let's guess the famous Italian brainrot animals by emojis. You will have 10 seconds to find the answer. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Let's start with an easy one. Can you guess this one? It's Bombardiro Crocodilo. Let's move on to our next question. It's Tung Tung Sahur. Now, can you answer this one? Amazing, this is Lirili Larila. Let's check our next emojis. It's Boneka and Balabu. Let's move on to next one. It's Brr Brr Patapim. Can you guess the name of this character? It's Tung Tung Assassino Boneka. Can you guess this one? It's Tralalelo Tralala. Now, can you guess this character? It's Chimpanzini Bananini. Let's check our next brainrot animal. It's Bombombini Gusini. Now, can you answer this one? Great, it's Cappuccino Assassino. Can you guess this character? It's Trippy Troppy. Now let's guess the name of our next character. It's Frigo Camelo. Now can you guess this character? It's La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. Can you tell this one? It's Ballerina Cappuccina. Now let's check out our next question. Can you guess this? It's U Din 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 Dun Ma Din Din. Let's check out our next pair of emojis. It's Giraffa Celestre. It's time for our next question. It's Bobrito Bandito. Can you guess the name of this one? It's Fruli Frula. Now, let's guess the next character. It's Coco Fanto Elefanto. Can you answer this one? It's Burbaloni Luli Lolly. Can you guess the name of this character? It's Orangutini Ananasini. Let's spot the next character from these emojis. It's Lejani Peshkakani. Can you guess this? It's Brr Bicus Dicus Bombicus. Can you guess the name of this character? It's Trick Track Baraboo. Let's check out next one. It's Bambini Crosini. Can you guess the name of this Brainrot? It's Tigruli Grapefruituni. Now, can you guess the name of this animal? It's Crocodilo Fromaggioso. Let's check our next pair of emojis. It's Blueberrini Octopusini. Can you guess this character? It's Cocosini Mama. It's time for our final question. Can you tell this dot? Excellent. It's Crocodildo Penisini.
Thanks for joining. Your quiz journey doesn't end here. Click on the left or the right side of the screen to start the next challenge. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.